Our body consists of so many hormones, and the function of these hormones is to carry messages, to stimulate receptors, and to produce certain effects. Insulin is also a hormone that is released from the pancreas, a granular structure, and perform its important roles in the regulation of the glucose, in the uptake and utilization of the glucose and its level inside the body. And you know that regulation of glucose is very important because if it is not regulated well, a disease known as diabetes mellitus occurs. So today's in our lecture, we are going to study about the synthesis of insulin, as you can say the biosynthesis of insulin, that is important from the biochemistry point of view. So we'll see starting from how and where it is synthesized, what type of cells are involved, and then what is basically the process or what are the chemical reactions that takes place to produce the insulin. Pancreas is a glandular structure that is present inside the body, and basically it is located behind the stomach and here attached with the duodenum. Now, the function of the pancreas, as I told you, it's a glandular structure. So, glandular structure means it is going to release the hormones, and its main function is that it assists in the digestion. Now, apart from assisting in the digestion, the pancreas is also involved in releasing hormones like insulin, glucagon, and somatostatin. So basically, this pancreas is very important in that way. Here, today we will discuss the pancreas from the perspective of release of the insulin. As I told you that insulin is as I told you that we are going to study the synthesis of the insulin. So inside the pancreas, insulin is synthesized. So just zoom in the pancreas and let's see that what actually goes on inside the pancreas that lead to the synthesis of the insulin. As I told you that pancreas is a glandular organ. So like any other organ, pancreas is composed of various cells. Now these cells function either as an endocrine or they have their exocrine roles. So basically, there are two main types of cells that are present inside the pancreas. So if we just look at the cross section of the pancreas, there are the pancreatic acini, the role of which is to release the lipases that will help in the digestion of the food, or that basically perform the exocrine function and assist in the digestion. Then there are the other type of the cells that are known as the pancreatic islets. Now that they are also known as islet of Langerhans. Now these cells are basically responsible for the endocrine functions of pancreas. That is, they release the hormones that assist in performing various functions, various metabolic functions basically. Now along with that, there is the pancreatic duct. Now the role of this pancreatic duct is to carry the hormones or enzymes from inside the pancreas to the duct or to anywhere it is needed. Like here you can see that this duct carry the hormones directly to the lumen of the duodenum. So basically, in this is the portion where the hormones are being synthesized. The endocrine hormones are being synthesized. Now, these pancreatic islets or islets of Langerhans, there are three types of the cells. Now, in these three types of the cells, there are some alpha cells that are responsible for the release of the glucose. There are some beta cells that are actually responsible for the release of insulin, and there are some delta cells that also secrete the hormones. Now, we are here concerned with the beta cells because beta cells are responsible for the secretion of insulin. And you can also appreciate that beta cells are more in number as compared to the alpha cells and the delta cells. So inside the beta cells, the insulin is synthesized. Insulin is synthesized inside the granules and it is excreted or it is released in the form of the granules, and these granules then carry insulin to the blood. Now these when it is synthesized in the beta cells in the form of the granules, then it is carried to this pancreatic duct into the duodenum, and from the duodenum it then enters through the blood circulation. So basically this is the duodenal papilla, that is the opening of pancreatic duct into the duodenum that assists in the transfer of the hormones and enzyme from the pancreas to the intestine. So that was all about the pancreas and the cells where the insulin is synthesized.